I'm out looking for an estate sale. This is not the house where the estate sale is, but I just love all of their little minions and all their snowmen and all of their little soldiers. That is so cute. The snowmen, aren't they adorable? I think we're gonna have to come back when all this is lit up at night. Some of these figurines look vintage to me. Really cool. It's a really cool collection. Well, here's the house where the estate sale is, and it's just a gorgeous mid-century modern or maybe 1980s contemporary. I'm not sure. Man, the whole house is for sale. It's under contract already. My husband's with me, but he said he doesn't want to be on the camera today. Which doesn't make sense because he's really cute. This house is so pretty. I like that owl hanging from the rafter up there. I believe these are called Turkish coffee pots. They go right on the stove top. They are cute and I love the color red. This is interesting and these sell well, but not necessarily with all that discoloration on the bottom. And then there's another blue one, also cute, $12. This is a pretty pot, $32. I was drawn to the photo of this casserole dish in the estate sale listing, and I found it. They want $30 for it. I just really liked the fruit design on it. Let's see if we can figure out a maker. And it is not marked. So I was thinking maybe it was Fire King, but it's not. Lots of lovely blue and white. They want $48 for this soup tureen. This is a cute little espresso cup. $10 for the set. They got blueprints of all of their designs and landscaping. Wow, that's cool. And then pictures of construction of this gorgeous house. I think this is a baby swing. Macrame. So that's interesting. Are these chairs $45 a piece, but they're half off today. These are nice. They will last forever. They're heavy. Oh my gosh, this place is so cool. This is a cute studio pottery piece. 1982. This is a big chunky beer stein from Germany. $8 with the discount. Oh, look at this clown. He is cool. $45, half off that. It says he's a Murano. Oh, he's lovely. Look at this beautiful antique Singer sewing machine. It is $495, but half off of that. And then, is this the pedal that operates it? It doesn't appear to have a big enough spot for your foot. It's a sewing motor controller. I'm really not sure how it works. Some type of retro electric pot, $10. These are insulators, and this color is popular. It's turquoise. To say Canada, so Canadian pottery pots with a cute handle. So pretty. Couple of very vintage looking containers for the kitchen. This one is 20, so 10 today, and I'm pretty sure this is for syrup. So this lid does appear to still work properly. It's cute. I like it. Queen Anne pot. Okay, 20 for that. Couple salt and pepper shakers. Well, there wasn't a ton of stuff in there, and the prices were still kind of high, even at 50% off, I thought. I got a bag of marbles for $1.50, a joke book for children for $2 with the discount, two turquoise small insulators, and they were $6 a piece. The other one's wrapped up in my bag, and one German beer stein. Beer steins were, this one was $8 after the discount. So beer steins were selling really well for me last October, you know, for like Oktoberfest time of year, but they have not been selling well this year, which is kind of strange. I don't know what has changed. Maybe people just don't like the ones I have, but I thought this was a nice one, so I got those. So this is all I got, plus one additional turquoise insulator. Well, being the nosy person that I am, I decided to look up that house on Zillow, and it was listed for $1 million even. It was built in 1974. So I think the house itself was my favorite part of that whole estate sale. I got a couple of things, but there just wasn't much there. The people who lived there definitely were not pack rats. The house was pretty sparse, but beautiful house, got a couple of things, and we'll get them cleaned up and put them in the booth. I hope you enjoyed today's estate sale shop along with me, and as always, I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.